So in this introduction section, I wanted to speak about what it is to actually be an affiliate. And if you understand this concept, the better you understand this concept, then the easier and the quicker it's going to become for you to make money as an affiliate. So essentially, affiliate marketing is selling other people's stuff. So you may have heard it in that vein as well. Normally you get what's known as an affiliate link. So you might sign up as an affiliate. For example, Amazon have an affiliate program. So if you sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon, then they'll give you a special link. And every single time you send someone to Amazon's website using that link, and they actually go and they make a purchase, then Amazon will credit you with that sale, and you will get a commission based on based on that particular website's commission rate. So it can go up, it could be 50%, it can be 30%, it can be 10%. Every kind of commission is different based on what product you're selling. So yeah, essentially affiliate marketing is selling somebody else's stuff. But I want you to start thinking about affiliate marketing in the mindset of someone who is actually recruiting affiliates, to help you kind of understand why affiliate marketing is important and potentially lucrative, not just for affiliates, but also for product and service owners as well. Let's say that you have a product and you have the option to actually market and promote that product yourself, or you can recruit affiliates. You can recruit, say, 100 people who are affiliates of yours, and they are going out and they are marketing and promoting your product or your service as well. That's going to be much more effective than you just promoting and marketing it yourself. You almost have like an army or a sales team, sales representatives who can help you to market that product or that service. Oftentimes affiliate marketing is attributed to, you know, some sort of scammy kind of dealings, and you know, it's kind of sometimes given a bad name and a bad light, which is really unfair because there are people who abuse affiliate marketing. However, that is essentially what it is. It's basically having sales representatives, but instead of it being offline, more often than not, affiliate marketing is online. Also, the best way to promote affiliate products is to actually become an influencer. So I want you to think about someone who you follow online. It might be someone in the business space. So maybe it's someone like Gary Vaynerchuk, maybe it's someone like Marie Forleo, or maybe you're into fitness and you follow a fitness blogger, or someone maybe on Instagram, and you just really enjoy their content. You really enjoy what they do online, and you follow their advice and you follow them. If they were to actually put out a post on whatever platform it is that they use, kind of promoting an affiliate product, more than likely they're going to promote something that they either use personally or they highly endorse and highly recommend, because they're not going to want to put their name out there and sabotage their own name, because they're the ones promoting it. They're going to want to promote good stuff. And I want you to take affiliate marketing as seriously as that. It's more than just making money. You should be promoting products that you're proud to promote, products that you would sell to your own family and friends. Not only is that going to help you on a conscious level, but it's also going to help you to build a brand. And that is what this course is all about. It's not just about how can you make the quickest buck doing affiliate marketing, but this course is about how can you actually build a brand that is reputable, that refers products and services, and you know, you can make a good commission off of that. But the amazing thing about that is when you're actually referring products that people like and enjoy and that are good, then those same people are likely to purchase from you again. So it's good business, and they're also more likely to refer you to their friends and to their family as well. So it's super important that you're building a brand that people know, like, and trust, and doing affiliate marketing that way. And don't get me wrong, social media marketing and building an influence in that manner can take a lot of time. And there is paid traffic as well, where you can kind of get instant traffic or instant people coming to look at your affiliate offers. And I'm going to be speaking about how you can become an influencer in that way as well. So just because you're using paid methods doesn't necessarily mean you can't provide value. And I'm going to be showing you how you can provide value, but whilst still making affiliate commissions as well. I want you to treat affiliate marketing as an actual business. So we're going to be speaking about creating websites. We're going to be speaking about creating social media profiles and how to do social media marketing, and essentially how to make a marketing plan. Unless you approach it as an actual business, you're highly unlikely to actually be successful with affiliate marketing. So this course is designed to kind of help you to shift your mind, shift your thinking and the way that you may have been taught, or the way that affiliate marketing may have been presented to you, and to actually start thinking of it as a business and to have a proper marketing plan behind you so that you can be more successful with your affiliate marketing campaigns.